Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are unboxing and trying out Element T2 Plus waterproof wireless speaker. First of all, big thanks to Tronsmart for this chance to try this bad boy out. This nice looking wireless speaker costs around $30 to $35. For its features, it's a nice price. Anyway, let's unbox it and I'll tell you my thoughts at the end of the video. As always, on the box you can see the picture of this product and some key features. Box has quite simple design, yet I like it. On side there is a QR code to Tronsmart website. On the back you can see all the cool features this speaker has, for example voice assistant, deep bass, 3.5mm audio output and more. Okay, I can't wait anymore, let's look what's inside. Effectively used packaging, everything fits perfectly. And here's the speaker itself, looks nice, it also has some nice weight to it. It probably means that speaker is actually good. Speaker also has SD card slot, USB-C charging port and 3.5mm input that is very good. You can also hang this speaker somewhere using this metal clip. Let's not forget about user's guide. User's guide once again is small, but this time it's thick because guide is written in multiple languages. User's guide is simple and easy to understand. In a small blue box we can find cables, or to be more exact, 3.5mm aux cable. Very nice surprise by the way, good job Tronsmart. We also get a Type-C USB cable and string for hanging this speaker somewhere. And last thing in the box is warranty card. And here's how speaker looks in its glory. Now let's do some quick sound tests. Let's connect this bad boy to phone and listen to some nice beats. To turn on the speaker, press and hold the power button till sound signal. And then choose the Tronsmart in available devices, or just use the aux cable. I forgot to say that speaker also has volume buttons and pause skip button. Okay, here's a small sound test.
You hurt me, you did. We run in the storm every time.
To be honest, it feels like this speaker actually sounds better than JBL Go, Go 2 and Clip 3. But you will be able to evaluate it yourself in Tronsmart T2 audio and bass test videos. It also has a very nice build quality and is pleasantly heavy. Even though this speaker is not so big, bass is still very good. You can pair two identical speakers by pressing the M button and change the volume using plus and minus buttons, or hold them to change tracks. I suggest quickly reading the user's manual before fully using this speaker, because I accidentally called random person by repeatedly clicking the pause button. Whoops! It was a very nice surprise that speaker also has SD card support and aux cable input. And that is all. Thanks for watching. If you like these quick unboxing and speaker sound test videos, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to avoid missing these kind of videos in the future. Thanks and goodbye.